What if one journey could change your soul forever? Join me as I take on the most powerful spiritual challenge of my life, my journey through Umrah and Hajj. From emotional highs to soul-testing lows, discover how this sacred pilgrimage transformed me in ways I never imagined. Spiritual awakenings are real and life-changing for those who truly open their hearts to the journey. But no one talks enough about the inner battles that come with it. From moments of doubt and exhaustion to tearful realizations and divine clarity, this is more than just a physical journey, it's a test of faith, devotion, and purpose. Whether you're preparing for your own pilgrimage or simply seeking inspiration, this video dives deep into the spiritual struggles many pilgrims face but rarely share. Real, raw testimonies from pilgrims who found their awakening. The transformative power of standing before the Kaaba, praying on Mount Arafah, and embracing the essence of sacrifice and unity. Spiritual awakenings are a profound and life-changing experience for many pilgrims who embark on the sacred journeys of Umrah and Hajj. These moments of awakening can bring a deeper understanding of one's faith, a stronger connection to the divine, and a renewed sense of purpose. When preparing for Umrah and Hajj, many of us are filled with excitement and anticipation. However, we often overlook the spiritual challenges that come with these pilgrimages. Distractions, doubts, and spiritual fatigue can creep in, making it difficult to fully immerse ourselves in the experience. Before departing, pilgrims may face anxiety, uncertainty, or even fear, which can affect their spiritual state. During the journey, pilgrims may encounter various spiritual challenges such as managing their emotions, dealing with physical exhaustion, and navigating unfamiliar environments. The sheer number of people and the fast-paced nature of these rituals can be overwhelming, making it hard to focus on the spiritual significance of each act. Moreover, the pressure to perform perfectly can lead to feelings of guilt or inadequacy. Furthermore, the spiritual struggles don't end there. Pilgrims may also face inner turmoil, questioning their intentions, and struggling to maintain a consistent level of devotion. It's essential to acknowledge these challenges and be prepared to face them head-on, allowing for a more authentic and transformative experience. In the midst of these challenges, many pilgrims have reported experiencing profound spiritual awakenings. One such pilgrim shared her story of feeling a deep sense of connection to the Kaaba, describing it as a moment of pure spiritual ecstasy. Another pilgrim spoke of feeling a weight lift off his shoulders as he released his worldly worries and focused on his spiritual growth. These personal testimonies demonstrate the profound impact of spiritual awakenings during Umrah and Hajj. One pilgrim described feeling a sense of rebirth as if she had been given a second chance to rediscover her faith. Another shared his experience of being moved to tears during the tawaf, feeling an overwhelming sense of gratitude and love for the divine. A powerful moment of revelation came for one pilgrim during the night of Arafah, where he felt an intense connection to the Creator. Understanding the true meaning of sacrifice and submission, this moment of clarity stayed with him long after the journey, guiding him in his daily life. For another, it was the moment of standing on Mount Arafah, feeling a deep sense of unity with fellow pilgrims, and realizing the true essence of equality and brotherhood. The journey of Umrah and Hajj has a profound effect on one's faith and spirituality, often leading to lasting transformations. These experiences can awaken a deeper sense of compassion, empathy, and understanding, allowing pilgrims to return home with a renewed sense of purpose. In summary, the journeys of Umrah and Hajj offer a transformative experience that can awaken a deeper sense of spirituality and connection to the divine. By embracing the challenges and opportunities that arise, pilgrims can return home with a renewed sense of purpose and a stronger faith. Have you felt a spiritual shift during a journey? Share your story in the comments. I want to hear how Allah transformed your heart. Don't forget to like this video if you've ever longed for a deeper connection with Allah. Subscribe for more inspiring Islamic content and real stories from the heart. Share this video with someone preparing for Umrah or Hajj. This is more than a video. This is a call to reconnect with your Creator. Will you answer it?